Some nights the truth glow louder than the silence. The cold cash collection, we shining different tonight. I've been walking through a field of diamonds. Didn't see the light was all inside me. Searching for a sign but it was guiding. Quiet as a moon when it remind me I'm the treasure that I kept surviving. Every scar became a silver lining. Now I bloom in places I was hiding. I've been walking through a field of diamonds. They say your thoughts are seeds in sacred soil. I planted doubt, it grew into my toil. But when I changed the way I spoke inside, my whole direction shifted with the tide. I learned a mind can bend the world to seas. I learned desire turns whispers into deeds. And every door that closed was just a sign, pushing me where blessings had a line. And I realized life was just a point of view. Abundance waited for a clearer truth. And when I chose to see myself as whole, life answered back how I've been walking through a field of diamonds. Didn't see the shine was always mine then. Looking for the path but it was riding softly in my chest with perfect timing. Every heartbreak had a hidden guidance. Every loss became a quiet guidance. Now the night revealed what I'm becoming. I've been walking through a field of diamonds. I learned creation start before the form. A thought can shift the weather of a storm. A feeling can reroute the course you're on. A vision turn a midnight into dawn. I stopped asking for the world to change. I changed me and everything rearranged. The power that I searched for in the sky was humming in my heartbeat the whole time. Alignment ain't no race, it's just return. A gentle choosing of the things you yearn. And when you trust the whisper in your chest, your outer world obeys what you express. They never taught me I was made of more than everything I fought my whole life for. But when I turned my gaze back to my core, I found the key behind every door. I am the garden, I am the gold, I am the story waiting. I've been walking for it. Didn't know the truth till I could find it. Every breath a piece of perfect timing. Every dream a seed that kept on climbing. Now I walk with softer steps behind it, knowing I was never left in silence. Now I shine in ways I can't deny it. I've been walking through a field of diamonds.
This one cut deep. The Cold Cash Collection, we found something rare tonight.